Hey guys, finally he sleeps here. Today we got our hands on a HARDELL rivet nut tool. This is, if you don't know what a rivet nut tool is, it creates a seated, like threaded rivet inside it so that you can take and mount a machine screw into your metal. We use them when we're building cars a lot. This actually gets used for everything from mounting new, let's see, we just remounted mirrors on a Miata and use the riv nuts. You can use skid plates. That comes into handy. It's basically if you want something in your car that you're trying to attach something to, whether it be aftermarket spoiler or whatever, and you need to create a threaded seat in sheet metal so that a screw can mount into it, that's what the riv nuts are for. Wide body kits, a lot of stuff. The riv nut is actually used quite a bit in our shop. So we are going to check this out today. We're going to open it up, look at the kit, see the quality, and make sure that this is worth it. Basically, I got a hold of it, so you don't have to. We'll test it. Ooh, it actually does have, it comes in a case. So, pretty nice hard case for this. All right, the case is impressive. So we have all of our extra mandrels in here as well. These are, yeah, the extra mandrels depending upon what size of riv nut you're using. So instructions wise, it looks like M4 to M12 metric hole size. This is what we have here. We have interchangeable threaded mandrels, M6, 8, 10, 24, quarter inch, 5/16, 3/8. There is a lot of options that come with this. It comes with a ton of riv nuts in the case. So here is the riv nut gun. It looks like a standard rivet gun, but you have the mandrels are a bit different compared to what you do with an actual rivet gun. And we'll show you how this works. We'll test one out and we'll put some in some metal just to show you exactly what it is. As far as this goes, this isn't our first HARDELL tool. So I'm familiar with the brand, and the quality here is fantastic. It is very, very solid. It's got a lot of weight to it, but it's not that it's heavy. It's that it feels like it's worth it, if that makes sense. It's not cheap, to put it. It's all that it just feels nice. Just the quality on all of the entire tool down to the embossed logo, and that's nice. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the actual logo is like a cut steel in through the orange. Handles are nice. I like the grip, and let's check this out. I'm excited to take a look and see if this lines up and the quality is what we're used to compared to the riv nut gun that we're used to using. So HARDELL, let's check it out. Here's the case. We're going to take a look at this, show you how it works, and go from there. All right, so there is the riv nut gun. This kit does come with a whole bunch of riv nuts. There's no machine bolts to go with them, so you have to have your own bolts to use this. You have all the extra mandrels, and let's go ahead. I'll show you how to swap this out first. So the mandrel comes off, and then inside here you can see this is the setup. Now I have there's an M10 that is in. It is actually the M10. You can see it written on there. If we wanted to swap it out to the M8, we grab the M8 and the M10 would come off. The M8 screws in, and then we place this in there and then lock it down, and then we are set up for the M8. We are going to go back. I want to put the M10 in, and we're going to test this with the M10. But it's that simple to swap it out. So here is the M10 riv nut, and we've got a machine bolt that screws into it. So what we're going to do just to test this out is we're going to attach this to a piece of steel, just a real thin piece of sheet metal. It's just galvanized, I think. And we'll show how the tool works and then how this attaches to it. So the first step is we need to drill a hole for the riv nut, and for an M10 we're going to use a 17 32nd drill bit. So that's the placement. It goes through the sheet metal, and we're going to attach this right here. So we're going to thread it on, open the gun up, and thread it on. As you can see, it's just going to pull this down. So we'll put it into the sheet metal. And it bites it to the metal. So on the back side. Then we just unthread it. And our riv nut is in place. And now we can screw right into it. So it basically just crimps it on and holds it in place. Riv nuts are fantastic. Everything from attaching body panels, it just creates a threaded pocket in your metal. So many different places that you can use it. That's it, Hardell's riv nut gun. I am impressed with the tool. If you're trying to get your own, the link to purchase one of these is in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Actually really impressed with this. It is well worth it. And if you've never used a riv nut gun before, I guarantee you once you use one, it's one of those tools that you can get through your entire life without ever needing one. And then once you use it one time, you are constantly finding uses for it, because it does make certain projects go so much faster, especially if you're building custom cars or you're doing anything that you're working with metal and you're doing something that isn't plug and play and there's any bit of custom to it. This is fantastic. Make sure you subscribe here on the channel if this helped. Turn on notifications so you never miss when a video goes live. I'm FinallyHeSleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams in a world